Die-cut flowers looking a little flat. We've all been there. Beautiful cuts, but not enough dimension. Even layering, they can still feel a little flat. That's where the Petal Shaper Tool Set comes in. Curl the edges, add depth, shape the bloom. Curl the edges, then press and roll to add depth. Finally, cup the petals so your flower takes shape. In just a few minutes, your flowers go from flat to full of life. You can add the same steps on leaves, butterflies, or any die cut that needs a little lift. A simple technique that transforms your creations, adding texture, dimension, and beauty. Bring your die-cut floral blooms to life. Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.